All India Radio presents Morning News. Good morning. I am Sarabjit Kaur. The headlines. World Health Organization sends a team of international experts to China as death toll due to novel coronavirus rises to 909. India offers assistance to China to deal with the outbreak. Tamil Nadu government decides to declare Cauvery Delta Region as protected special agricultural zone. Focused Ek Bharat, Shreshth Bharat campaign gets underway across the country today. Children and adolescents to receive single dose of Albendazole today on National Deworming Day. And in cricket, Bangladesh beat India by 3 wickets to win maiden Under-19 World Cup. World Health Organization has sent a team of international experts to China to help combat the novel coronavirus outbreak as death toll rises to 909. Director General of WHO, Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, said that the international team left for China yesterday. As many as 97 new deaths and 3,073 new cases have been reported due to novel coronavirus in China yesterday. The total numbers of confirmed cases have reached 40,235 in China and around 320 abroad. More than 3,280 patients have been discharged. There are also 23,589 suspected cases. India has offered assistance to China to deal with the novel coronavirus outbreak. Official sources said in a letter to Chinese President Xi Jinping, Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed solidarity with the President and the people of China over the outbreak of the virus in the country. He expressed his condolences at the unfortunate loss of lives due to the outbreak. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also conveyed to President Xi Jinping his appreciation for facilitating evacuation of Indian citizens from the Hubei province. Health Ministry has said more than 9,400 people are presently under community surveillance in 32 states and union territories following the novel coronavirus outbreak. Universal screening for all flights from Singapore and Thailand besides Hong Kong and China is already going on at earmarked aero bridges. Health Ministry is extending all the possible support to the states and union territories in order to combat the situation. The containment and prevention activities are being taken up on utmost priority. All the states are continually strengthening their rapid response teams to counter any eventuality. Both the Houses of Parliament will today take up discussion on the Union Budget 2020-21. The budget was presented by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on 1st of this month. The Institute of Teaching and Research in Ayurveda Bill 2020 is scheduled to be introduced in Lok Sabha today. The Direct Tax Vivad Se Vishwas Bill 2020 is also scheduled for discussion in the lower house today. The counting for the Delhi Assembly polls will be held tomorrow. 21 centres for counting of votes have been set up in the city. Delhi's Chief Electoral Officer Ranbir Singh said the counting will start at 8 in the morning tomorrow. Personnel of paramilitary forces along with Delhi police providing multi-layered cover to EVMs at the counting centres. The voting for Delhi Assembly elections was held on Saturday. MNS Chief Raj Thackeray has warned of giving a befitting reply to rallies being held against the Citizenship Amendment Act and the National Register of Citizens. The MNS took out a huge march from Girgaon Chowpatty to Azad Maidan in South Mumbai yesterday. Addressing the gathering, Mr. Thackeray blamed the ongoing protests against the CAA and the NRS on the lack of proper understanding of the issues. He said that the CAA gives citizenship to those Hindus who have faced religious atrocities in neighbouring countries Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bangladesh and migrated to India. Mumbai police has seized high-quality counterfeit Indian currency worth around 24 lakh rupees at Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport Terminal. Joint Commissioner of Police Crime Santosh Rastogi said it was found that the notes were being brought to India from Pakistan via Dubai. Mr. Rastogi said the Mumbai police along with other agencies are investigating if such cash movements from Pakistan were carried earlier also. He said that the accused has been charged. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has announced that his government will give internship to youth to brighten employment prospects for them. The Chief Minister made the announcement during a job fair organized by the Department of Labour and Employment Exchange yesterday in Gorakhpur. Our correspondent has filed this report.
Under the scheme, students will be linked to various technical institutes and industries. During the internship of a period of 6 months or an year, each participating youth will be given 2,500 rupees as honorarium every month. Chief Minister said that out of this, 1,500 rupees will be given by the central government and 1,000 rupees by the state government. After the completion of the internship, the state government will also arrange for placement of these students, for which a dedicated HR cell will also be created. Sushil Chandra Tiwari, AIR News, Lucknow.
This is All India Radio giving you the news. For quick news updates round the clock, follow us on our Twitter handle at AIR News Alerts. Moving on to our special series on nationwide campaign on Ek Bharat, Shreshth Bharat. An 18-day-long focused Ek Bharat, Shreshth Bharat campaign gets underway from today across the country. The campaign, being organized by the Information and Broadcasting Ministry, will continue till 28th of this month. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had mooted the idea of a cultural connect between different regions during the Rashtriya Ekta Divas held in 2015. The broad objects of Ek Bharat, Shreshth Bharat include celebrating the unity and diversity of our nation. The campaign also promotes the spirit of national integration through engagement between all states and union territories. More from our correspondent.
Every state and union territory in the country is paired with another state or union territory. During this period, they carry out a structured engagement with one another in the spheres of language, literature, cuisine, festivals, cultural events and tourism. The paired states and union territories sign MOUs with each other, delineating a set of activities that they would carry out. An activity calendar for each pair is prepared through mutual consultation, paving the way for a year-long process of mutual engagement. The current pairings will continue till June this year. After the creation of Union Territory of Ladakh, it has been paired along with Jammu and Kashmir with Tamil Nadu. Punjab has been paired with Andhra Pradesh, Uttarakhand with Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh with Kerala, Delhi with Sikkim and Rajasthan with Assam. Suparna Sethia, AIR News, Delhi.
Under the Ek Bharat Shreshth Bharat program, a group of 50 youth of Jammu and Kashmir are embarking on a fortnight's visit to Tamil Nadu. Afterwards, another 50 youth from Tamil Nadu will visit Jammu and Kashmir. Our correspondent reports the program opens up a window of opportunity for both the teams to understand each other and to become the ambassadors of goodwill.
The youth from the paired Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir are currently on their way to Chennai. From the 11th onwards, they will stay with their host families in Tamil Nadu, besides visiting several places of importance. The Nehru Yuva Kendra State Coordinator Mr. Nadaraju, who oversees the visit, says the youth will be given a wide exposure.
See, Jammu and Kashmir people, they are coming, they are staying, they will understand what is Tamil Nadu, what is the Tamil language, they will learn few words, so they will also share the Hindi word.
The Ek Bharat Shreshth Bharat program is providing an excellent opportunity for the youth of the southernmost and the northernmost states of mainland India to understand each other. Jai Singh, Chennai.
Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Edappadi Palanisamy has said the Cauvery Delta Region in the state will be declared a protected special agricultural zone. He laid the foundation stone for what is touted as Asia's largest livestock farm at Talaivasal village near his hometown, Salem, yesterday. In his address, the Chief Minister said he will talk to his legal team to bring a special law to make the Delta region a protected zone. Rajasthan is facing biggest and longest locust attack of last 6 decades. The rabi crops have extensive damage in 150,000 hectare area due to locust attack in 8 districts of the state. More from our correspondent.
The special Girdawari has been conducted in about 5,27,000 hectare area of Jodhpur, Jalore, Sirohi, Bikaner, Hanumangarh, Nagaur, Pali and Sriganganagar districts, out of which about 1,50,000 hectare land has suffered extensive damage to crops. The survey is still going on and this figure is likely to increase further. The Disaster Relief Department has given compensation of rupees 90 crore to 60,000 affected farmers so far. Jitendra Dwivedi, AIR News, Jaipur.
The National Deworming Day, NDD, is being observed across the country today. Children and adolescents in the age group of 1 to 19 years will be administered single dose of a safe medicine, Albendazole, in all states and union territories on the occasion. Organized by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the objective of the day is to deworm children and adolescents to reduce the prevalence of parasitic worms in the intestine. It ensures that the worms are no longer a public health problem. Talking to All India Radio exclusively, Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan said, Albendazole tablet also takes care of children's nutritional requirement.
Today, on the occasion of National Deworming Day, the Health Ministry of the Government of India provides Albendazole tablets which are for deworming to about 25 crore children simultaneously in a single day. These tablets are of Albendazole which are given to deworm these children to ensure that they don't become anemic also, and the portion aspect or the nutrition aspect of these children is also covered.
Our correspondent has filed this report.
National Deworming Day program is a cost-effective scheme to reach crores of children and adolescents with deworming benefits. Deworming has shown to reduce absenteeism in schools and improve health, nutritional and learning outcomes for children and adolescents who miss the NDD can get dewormed on Mop-Up Day next Monday on 17th of February. Anganwadi workers and teachers will administer the deworming medicine to children and adolescents at the Anganwadi and schools. Tanvi Khurana, AIR News, Delhi.
The News Services Division of All India Radio, in its weekly bilingual live phone-in program, Public Speak, will bring you a discussion tonight on Sankramak Rogo ki Rokthaam aur Upchar. This can be heard on FM Gold channel and additional frequencies from 9:30 p.m. Listeners can ask questions to the experts sitting in our studio on toll-free telephone number 1800 115767. You can also ask questions on telephone number 011-2331-4444 and post queries on our Twitter handle at AIR News Alerts by hashtag AskAIR. You can also follow us on the News on AIR app for updates. This program is also available on Doordarshan DTH. Union Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar released the first look of a biopic on former President APJ Abdul Kalam in New Delhi yesterday. Mr. Javadekar, along with producer and director Madhur Bhandarkar and Hollywood producer and director Johnny Martin, released a poster of the film on the occasion. Bangladesh beat India by 3 wickets to win maiden ICC Under-19 World Cup cricket title by Ducksworth-Lewis method last night in South Africa. For India, Yashasvi Jaiswal scored 88 runs off 121 balls. Bangladeshi skipper Akbar Ali was declared the player of the match for his captaincy. And now for an overview of today's newspapers, it's over to VC Pramod.
Thank you, Sarabjit. Continuing with the election mood in Delhi, most newspapers today lead with a story on AAP questioning EC ahead of counting. The Hindustan Times headline reads, EC assures accuracy after AAP raises turnout delay. In a bid to fight it together, newspapers mention about Prime Minister Narendra Modi offering India's assistance in tackling the novel coronavirus. Modi offers India's help in battling corona is the headline in the Asian Age. The Business Standard on its front page has a photograph of outstanding achievers of India Incorporated. The headline reads, High-powered jury selects best 7. Working on the concept of sister cities, the Tribune headline reads, Varanasi among 20 best-performing smart cities to guide laggard ones. And with that, it's back to you, Sarabjit.
Thank you, VC Pramod. And now, before we end the bulletin, the headlines once again. World Health Organization sends a team of international experts to China as death toll due to novel coronavirus rises to 909. India offers assistance to China to deal with the outbreak. Tamil Nadu government decides to declare Cauvery Delta Region as protected special agricultural zone. Focused Ek Bharat, Shreshth Bharat campaign gets underway across the country today. Children and adolescents to receive single dose of Albendazole today on National Deworming Day. And in cricket, Bangladesh beat India by 3 wickets to win maiden Under-19 World Cup. And with that, we end the morning news. Have a nice day.